To download the Trust Wallet installation, start by opening a web browser on your device, such as Google Chrome or Safari. Navigate to the official Trust Wallet website by typing trustwallet.com in the address bar and press Enter. On the Trust Wallet homepage, click on the Download button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the download page where you can select the type of device you are using, such as Android or iOS. For Android devices, click on the Google Play Store button to be redirected to the Trust Wallet page on the Google Play Store. Click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. For iOS devices, click on the App Store button to be redirected to the Trust Wallet page on the App Store. Click the Get button to begin the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, open the Trust Wallet app and follow the in-app instructions to set up your wallet. This will include creating a new wallet, setting a password, and backing up your recovery phrase. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe, as it is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. Trust Wallet is a secure and reliable cryptocurrency wallet, and by following these steps, you can easily download and install it on your device. Always ensure you are downloading the wallet from the official website to avoid any potential security risks.